Hey Aaron, Corey here. Hey, real quick, I'm actually just going to shoot over those 3 free tips. You can actually apply these tips to your website, help you increase the traffic, and also bring out more customers out the back end as well. Really help grow your business too. The 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your site pulled up here. Really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really at the work and who you are, what you do. Google loves words, plus adding that much more content. You can layer in those other keywords, and those other keywords are what people are actually searching for and how you're being found. And I actually go over the keywords and how much volume that's actually bringing in your area as well. So that's your first tip, is just really bringing your word count up on all your pages as well, and also changing out the content behind it as well. You can actually do buyer's intent keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings. Now, if I go inside of Google and type in foundation repair NJ, this is what you're going to see. You have this little map pack here at the very top. A bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top as well. Kind of see a bunch of them there, but really where all the top 3 sections, the top 3 businesses is actually getting all the traffic. And really to get to the top there, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So ideally what you'd want to do is come in, go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out and completely annihilate them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by, crawls, does all their algorithms, they have no reason to put you in the very top for all that work that you've done in this map pack area. If I come back out of here and go underneath that map pack, we have about what lands here traffic-wise. There's about 70 more pieces of traffic that happens right on this first page of Google. And really, to get in this section where all the traffic happens, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure that you're found for those keywords, all those keywords that you actually want to be found for the type of jobs, which I'll go over that in just a second. But also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately drawing power from it, and it's really pushing you on that first page of Google so you can actually bring in those leads. And what a backlink is, now not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Just give it a second. So here's this is the history of your site here. This is the last 3 months. You got 5 referring domains, pushing back 10 backlinks. Historically, you've had about 167 there. They kind of come and go, as you can see. 2 keywords you're being found for. You're missing the traffic as well. We can actually come in and see you got your name is what you're ranking for. But if I do go in, and this is quality first basement systems, I actually stuck them inside of Ahrefs. They're not really ranking themselves, but just kind of give you an idea of some of the keywords that we actually want to go after, and so that way we can bring in more of that business for yourself. Foundation repair NJ, there's 80 clicks a month for that one repair for that one keyword. So as long as we do enough backlinking and we're found for that keyword, we're going to be able to get in that top position, drawing in that traffic. And then obviously you want to come in and get all these other keywords, and obviously make sure that we're doing enough backlinking so we can actually draw that traffic in as well. But anyway, hope you see some value in all of this. I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there, to help you get where you're going. I do love reviews, so if you want to come back, give me a review, that'd be great. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Thanks so much. Talk soon. Bye.